Welcome back, guys. Tonight I've got the unboxing of Thursday's premier low-cut sneakers. It's their kind of beginning into the shoe world, and I'm a beginner at knowing much about shoes. So guess what that said? Let's go get this started. Alright guys, so over here we have the Thursday shoes. Again, I do want to stress that I am not a professional in shoes, how to make them and stuff like that. One benefit of that though is being how I've always worn regular shoes. It's going to come from an outsider's point of view as to what I think about this. So if you're looking to step into that world, this may be the video for you versus someone who's like, very, very intelligent with this kind of stuff and knows everything about them. You may get a slightly worse review than you would from somebody who knows not so much about them and is actually a significant step up. So in a way it can actually be beneficial to some. So let's go get this unboxed. So off the bat, it does have kind of a custom box from Thursday, which I think is pretty nice. And then over here we got some right there, which is just the packaging is always just the nicest touch. You don't need to see what's on that. And we have the box right here, which is a standard kind of a shoe box, but it has a logo on it, which from what I understand about Thursday, they're not a really high-end company, but they are kind of a mid-grade, like a nice step up, but their shoes are a little on the cheaper side, but I guess they're good quality. And from what I'm saying, this was kind of their start to the shoe world. So this is a bag, I'm guessing for transporting shoes and stuff, which again, sometimes it's the accessories, it's the extras that really make it nice. And then we have the shoes. These are leather shoes. Yes, these do look like bowling shoes, but off the bat, my initial impressions are these are actually really nice. And I will put some kind of specs on here about these as we go. But it, again, I don't know much about shoes, so please hold back in the comments on that one. But what I'm going to do, this is going to be an unboxing video. Next week you will see, well, it'll be next week for you guys. I'm going to wear these for a couple weeks for work and just see how they are. Because these were $150. So I'm not going to be wearing these as like, go kick a football shoe, of course. Initial impressions, they seem really well built. The stitching on them, this is definitely glued on. It's not stitched in, that's just for looks what it looks like. And if you ever want to learn a lot about shoes, I've been kind of learning a little bit. Go to Rosa Anvil's channel on YouTube. He knows a lot, and he cuts shoes in half, so you can dissect them. He shows you everything you would want to know. He talks about different leathers. He has all kinds of videos, so I definitely recommend checking him out. But this is going to be a video to kind of give you from an outsider's point of view, stepping in, which I'm pretty excited for. So overall, these are rubber. They're not that foam you get on some of the cheaper shoes, which is always nice. Arch support, I don't really feel any in there. Some shoes will have that kind of bump in there, but they got some moderate weight, which this is rubber, so, but they feel nice. They have all kinds of different color selections you can do. Mix and match this. This is just the one I wanted to go with. I want to go with kind of that classic look. So I guess with that said, that is going to be the unboxing of it. Got any questions for me? Drop in the comments. Anything to want me to review or try, put in the comments. With that said, I want to thank you guys very much for watching.